A dynamic shot of the Bronco Raptor tearing through a rugged off-road terrain.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for an adrenaline-fueled ride. Today, we're diving deep into the beast that is the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor. Close-ups of the Raptor's exterior, highlighting its unique design elements.
Starting with its exterior, the Raptor is a sight to behold. The widened fenders, aggressive grille, and high-clearance suspension give it a truly menacing presence.
Let's talk about its heart and soul, the engine.
A shot of the Raptor's engine bay. Under the hood, we find a powerful 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering a whopping, insert horsepower and, insert torque, lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this setup provides exhilarating performance both on and off the road.
Off-road footage of the Raptor tackling challenging terrain.
When it comes to off-road capability, the Raptor is in a league of its own. Its Fox Racing 3.0-inch internal bypass shock absorbers provide exceptional articulation and control, allowing it to conquer any obstacle. Add to that the high-strength steel frame, skid plates, and locking differentials, and you have a machine that's ready for anything. On-road footage of the Raptor accelerating.
But don't think the Raptor is just a brute force off-roader.
On the pavement, it's a surprisingly comfortable and capable daily driver.
The suspension tuning strikes a nice balance between ride quality and handling.
Close-ups of the Raptor's interior. Step inside the Raptor, and you're greeted by a rugged yet refined interior. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives. The technology is top-notch, with features like a large touchscreen display and advanced driver assistance systems.
Montage of the Raptor's capabilities. What sets the Bronco Raptor apart from other off-roaders is its versatility. It's equally at home on the trail as it is on the highway.
Whether you're looking for a weekend warrior or a daily driver that can handle anything, the Raptor delivers. A final shot of the Raptor. The 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience.
With its unmatched performance, rugged design, and versatility, it's a true automotive icon.
So, if you're ready to conquer any terrain and make a statement, the Bronco Raptor is the perfect choice.